practice English with me today. Here are side headings for the tips to learn English. Build your vocabulary, practice speaking, 3 improve listening skills, 4 read regularly, 5 practice writing, 6 learn grammar, 7 think in English, 8 join English speaking communities. Now we will see one by one. Build your vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Use flashcards or apps like Anki or Quizlet. Practice using new words in sentences to remember them better. Point 2. Practice speaking. Speak English daily, even if it's to yourself. Point 3. Improve listening skills. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, and accent. Point number 4. Read regularly. Start with simple books, newspapers, or online articles. Gradually move to more complex materials. Practice writing. Keep a journal and write daily entries in English. Write essays, letters, or even short stories. Use tools like Grammarly to check grammar and spelling. Point 6. Learn grammar. Study basic grammar rules from books or online resources. Practice with grammar exercises and quizzes. Point 7. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Describe your surroundings, feelings, or plans in your mind. Point number 8. Join English speaking communities. Participate in English speaking clubs or forums. Engage in discussions on social media in English. Be consistent. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to an hour daily to learning English. Set achievable goals and track your progress. Point 10. Be patient and confident. Don't fear making mistakes. They're part of learning process. Celebrate small achievements to stay motivated. If you need resources or specific practice, let me know. For more lessons, please like and share the channel. Thank you so much.